If you are given an expression and asked to find an equivalent one, plugging in values and then comparing are our steps. So let's look at this final question. If we have the following, if A equals 3x plus 5x minus 6, and B equals negative x squared minus 6x plus 7, the question is, if I subtract A from B, what should be my equivalent term? So that's what we're going to endeavor to think about together. As always, step one. In step one, we're going to store the value of 1.23 into our calculator under X. All right. In step two, what I want to do is I want to actually take a look at what A represents. Now that that value of 1.23 is stored, and see what it returns. In this case, it returns a 4.68. I do the exact same thing for B, and B returns a value of negative 3.40. So now I'm at the place where I got to evaluate A minus B. So in steps 4 and 5, we do just that. We evaluate A minus B, and what we discover is that returns a value of 8.09. So this is the value that we're looking for, that we're comparing everything else against. So let's continue. Step 6 and 7. 6 and 7. What we're asked to continue to do is evaluate values. And what we quickly see is that in option number 2, when we have 5x plus 11x minus 13, that returns the same value that we're looking for when we take A and minus B. So option 2 is in fact the correct answer for this problem. Okay, class, I hope these basic calculator skills are things that you're working on and practicing, because if you do so, the Regents exam will be that much simpler. Okay, remember, 30 minutes of study a day keeps poor grades away. This is your math mentor, Mr. McCray.